Hello traders, it's Tirunapan here, founder of Master Markets Illustrates Conference and the Traders Open Day. So today in this video, I'm just going to show you in terms of real life trading on how we actually risk manage. Okay, so now looking at this particular trade over here, I'm actually looking at the Aussie versus the dollar. Now, what kind of a trade are we doing here? Now, we're doing actually a counterintuitive trade in terms of in a downtrend. I am actually looking towards taking this short. Okay, now what I'm looking to do over here, traders, is that over here, this is a swing low confirmed according to our proprietary smart money indicator, which actually is quantified swing high and swing lows, where you can see the arrows over here. So in terms of this, so this is a swing low that you have. Now what I'm then looking to capture is a swing high. Okay, a swing high. Now in terms of that, I'm looking for this particular trade, which I've just circled over here, to fall further down. Okay, even though it's looking at the up, but I'm looking at it going further down. Okay, so based on that, we have placed a position on this particular trade in terms of entering on the close over here and stop loss for the high. Okay, and that's what we do have at the moment. So let me show you actually then how do we then risk manage this particular trade. Okay, so entry is going to be on the close, so that's going to be 7776, and the stop loss is going to be at 7809, adding our spread onto the order. What do we then have? Now let's take a look. Now what we then do have, we're going to enter live. So as this closes, we're going to enter it. And our stop loss is going to be a 7814 and 0.7692. Now I'm going to punch all these figures into basically this website called Earn Forex. Okay, so that's what we are going to be doing at the moment. And how do you then basically do your 1% risk management? Now let's take a look. First of all, your account currency is in GBP. Account size in this instance, it's going to be 100,000. Okay, so let me put that in. So let's put that in. So 100,000 here. Now that's going to be 1%. We're going to risk, so that's going to be £1,000. Okay, and the stop loss. What is the stop loss at the moment going to be? So let me just open up my spreadsheet. Now, if I'm not wrong, if my memory serves me right, that is going to be basically, just let me put the currency as it loads up on the other spreadsheet. Okay, over here, we're going to be looking at Aussie dollar. So let me just put Aussie dollar here. Okay, right, so let me just put Aussie dollar. Let me just click onto that. For some reason, the Dropbox seems dropless. Okay, there you go. We got Aussie dollar. Okay, that's good. Now, in terms of the trade risk, that's going to be 35 pips of trade risk. Okay, so I'm just going to put that into here. 35 pips is what we got. Right, and then finally all this asking for is the GBP USD ask price. Okay, now how do I do that? Now let me just show that to you. Now I go on to here and you can see GBP USD ask price is 14343. Okay, so I'm just going to be putting that into the box over here, 14343 if I'm not right. 14343. Is that correct? Let me just put that in. Yes, that's right, about that. 14342, 14343. Then after that, then I just click on the calculate button. Then after that, it's going to tell me how many lots that should be. That's about 4.098. That should be about 4.10. We can actually round it down to 4.09, but in this instance, I've just rounded it up to 4.1, just a little bit, 0.02 more. Okay, so that's what we have done. Do remember that actually in our blog videos we go through a bit more in detail on when you can actually risk more as well. Most important thing, you always must know your drawdown. But this is a very simple way of doing a risk management. This is on direct market access based on lots. Usually one lot is roughly about $10 a pip. So based on all of that is how this calculation has been done. But this website is very, very useful. Earn Forex, okay, is what I'm looking at over here. If you can punch in all this, as I've just done it before, then we just calculate it. You can also swap money, but percentage risk management will be one of the best ones to do. You can even change this to 5,000, 10,000 pound account, whatever it may be. Okay, I guess that has been useful on risk management, one of the most important things, especially if you want to take this seriously and become a professional trader to make steady returns. Alright, that's all from us for on this video, and as we say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.